Cows, donkeys. We are making basic sponge cake with my cheesecake icing. So in a mixer or a food processor with a whisk attachment, you're going to go in with 4 large eggs. Now we're going to beat these eggs until they double in volume. We're going to add 250 grams of caster sugar in 4 parts. 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, 5 grams of salt, get your whisk on, and then emulsify 250 grams of melted butter into your sugar and egg mix. Get your oven on 180 degrees centigrade. Get your sugar, egg and buttery goodness mix. Sift 250 grams of self-rising flour in 4 parts again. Fold the flour into your mix using a whisk, because it's got less surface area than a spatula or a spoon, so it's less chance of knocking out air. Now we're going to add the zest only of half a lemon and half an orange. Fold in the citrus zest, and then we're going to let this sit 5 minutes, just so the gluten relaxes. At the moment we've worked it a lot, we just want it to relax. Whilst we make a little cartouche to go in the bottom of our cake tin. That goes in your cake tin, like so. After your batter's little nap time, I'm going to pour it into a lined cake tin and then into the middle shelf of your oven for anything between 20 and 30 minutes. Check your cake. In this bowl, I've got 200 grams of mascarpone and 200 grams of full-fat cream cheese. Now I'm going to add 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract and the zest and juice of 1 lemon. Mix these two really well with the lemon juice and zest so smooth. Now we're going to sift in 100 grams of icing sugar and then gently work the sugar into your cream. In a separate bowl, we've got 250 grams, 50 grams of double cream or whipping cream, and I'm going to sift in here 100 grams of icing sugar as well. Now I'm going to whisk this double cream till semi-stiff peaks, those ones. Now get all your double cream into your cream cheese and mascarpone at the same time, and then literally all you're doing is combining the two. Ta-da! Cake is ready. Now we're going to leave this to cool right down before we start putting the icing here. Our cake is now nice and cooled down. Smells amazing. Now we're just gonna layer the icing. Now, I'm not like a big sweet tooth type of person, believe it or not. But I really do like a good citrusy cheesecake. So this is kind of up my street. And I really wanted to share like a basic skill, like cake making with you. And this is a real basic sponge cake with my favorite frosting. As always, better loveliness. Oh. See, I can easily eat that whole slice because of the frosting. I mean, the cake is amazing, it's light, it's buttery, vanilla, it's delicious. But the citrusy, or the zest, or the lemony cheesecake frosting is what makes it amazing and easy to eat. It doesn't feel like you're eating massive amounts of cake. So if you fancy a little cake for a little birthday party, or just on a Sunday afternoon, you want to treat yourself to a yummy, good sweetness, make this. It's a nice little dessert. And don't forget to share with your neighbors. I love you. Bye. welcome to Cake. So welcome to another episode of Gag. We are making the easiest basiest. When you look it up in Oxford Dictionary, my face is next to that word, basiest. We are making orange and lemon specifically comes together and make this beautiful flavor. Beautiful. Specifically beautiful.